Hello, everybody. This is Lucius Hill Jr. here of London Hill Investments. Today is June the 13th of 2022. And today we're going to talk about the stock market and what I like in the oil market right now and where I think the oil market is going to be headed to over the next 6 months to a year. As you know, oil has been on a hot streak. I've been touting oil from day one back 2 years ago, saying that oil is going to propel higher and then that the OPEC nation is going to be forced to raise cash and raise oil prices. Well, nothing has changed, but over the short term, I believe oil may drop an additional, it already dropped like 3-4% right now from its current highs, stocks. And I think it's going to drop an additional 3 to 4%, 3 to 4%, with altogether between 7% to 8% drop from their highs. And then I think oil is going to head back up from there, much higher. I'm a firm buyer of oil at these levels, scaling in at lower prices. And I believe that oil has a lot further to go. I believe eventually it's going to take like $5,000, $6,000 just to fill up your gas tank at the oil pump. With this in mind, I'm very bullish on Tesla stock, which is solving some of the problems that we have with higher oil and gas prices. And I'm bullish on some of these car company stocks that will prove wisely with the electric vehicles. But I think Tesla's ahead of the game. I'm a firm believer in buying some Tesla stock. I think the CEO, Elon Musk, knows what he's doing. And he's putting together a good full plan and plan to go ahead and capitalize off of higher gas prices. With that in mind, I like some oil companies also as well. I like Divine Energy, symbol DVN. I like ExxonMobil, symbol XOM. I like Halliburton, symbol HAL. I like Rig Resources, Transocean Resources, which is symbol RIG. And you pretty much could take your pick. I like Kinder Morgan also, the pipeline, to carry oil from one location to another location. Symbol KMI. Which is an MLP. The only thing is that on this capital gains, it gets taxed a little bit differently than regular capital gains taxes. I'm a big fan of oil right now at its current levels. I like commodity stocks like wheat, WEAT, corn, CORN. I think that people are going to be forced to buy some of these things like bread and corn products, to try to keep the grocery bills lower. But at the same time, I think we forecast that we forecast that suppliers are going to have to pass along the higher oil costs to the consumers. Knowing that, I think we could make plenty of money being made in the markets and commodity plays. Right now, my corn position in my big portfolio is up. My oil positions in my portfolio is up. I'm playing momentum right now. We're momentum investors. I'm a momentum guy. I've been preaching momentum from day one. I'm not buying stock in stocks that are falling from $100 down to $20. Now, right now, those stocks are going to go down to pennies of a dollar. We're playing momentum of stocks going higher, like oil, corn, wheat, gold, silver. I talked about this before when I first started my podcast about momentum. I'm a momentum investor. I like to feed my positions that are doing well and keep feeding them. If you have any questions, shoot me some questions, and hopefully I can answer your questions and put it on the broadcast. The Solution to the Dream, fighting for the small investor and professional investor, fighting for your portfolios. Sometimes I get the shot calls right, sometimes I get the shot calls wrong. But at the end of the day, I'm fighting for your portfolio. I'm putting God first, people investing second, things and family third.